Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Want to grow my patience. So, yep.
John Deere.
Alright. Well, I sure do hope that she thinks my tractor's sexy.
Oh.
All three of them?
Go ahead.
My wish is for the holy mackerel to be blessed upon all of us.
Nice!
Congrats.
Jesus.
Holy, this place has been blessed.
Holy Jesus.
World corn domination.
Damn it.
Get it, corn.
No!
And one more coin for all of us.
Buddy Holly.